Hello, welcome back to Bell's Learning Corner. 今天要来讲的这一篇呢，是因应我们的秋季的季节 Halloween。今天要认识 Halloween 这个节日，还要认识 Halloween 的装扮有哪些。用 Here is a 好，看底下我们有很多装扮，我们来一个看。A dinosaur. This is not a dinosaur.A dragon. Here is a dragon. A astronaut. Here is an astronaut. A monster. Here is a monster. A princess. Here is a princess. A robot. Here is a robot. A tiger. Here is a tiger. No, it's just us. Happy Halloween. 所以呢，只是我们在这边有一个 party。好，那我们一个一个的复习，然后之后呢，我们就从头开始念哦 ，OK？ Alright, so take a look with this. A tiger, a robot, a princess, a monster, an astronaut, a dragon. 好，从头开始。Are you ready? Okay. Halloween. Here's a dragon. Here's an astronaut. Here's a monster. Here's a princess. Here's a robot. Here's a tiger. No, it's just us. Happy Halloween! Okay, thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.